Hi there. So I am testing out this laser cutter, and I keep having the same problem. I've done like 5 cuts with it and adjusted the bands a couple times. But the problem I'm having is that this bottom line right here is not getting etched. You can see that this line, right, it's cutting all the way through, but you can watch it, the laser kind of poop out when it tries to draw this bottom line. It's fairly accurate. It's not perfect. Like I still have to kind of pull the M out of the paper. Like there's still little pieces attached. But for the most part, it's good. I have made sure that this bar was up against these two things, right? And also that the tension in these bands is good. And I've adjusted these a couple times. So I don't think it's a problem with the bands, just mainly because, it is accurate. Like it's cutting these diagonals fine, and you can see it's drawing the numbers pretty well for the most part there. But it's just this sort of bottom line. It kind of, the laser kind of loses strength there. And I focused the beam a couple times, but I don't know why it's doing that. So I'm going to run it, and you guys can watch. All right, so here we are, M test here, and let's go back, and let's go back one more time so you can just see that it's centered. So here we go. Let's start the machine self-test. There we go. Next step, let's adjust the laser focus. Let me put my glasses on. All right, so the material we're using is this sort of manila folder, and I'm using these Hong Kong currency to weight it down. So let's find a section here, and let's weight it down. Actually, this might not be ideal. Let's do this side, okay? Just so this seems to be a little flatter. All right, let's weight it down. Make sure it's not gonna hit the beam. All right. I mean that is super flat. Okay, that's not getting anywhere. All right. So let's now adjust our focus. I mean, it looks pretty perfect right now, but just for the sake of this video, I will unfocus it and refocus it. Okay, that looks good. All right, so now let's do the test pattern. Okay, all right, here we go. Start test engraving. You can watch the bands. There's slight movement here, but as I said, I don't think it has to do. Okay, look. So it just drew that first section and then just is kind of pooping out on the line. See that? It's just that one section of that one line where it does that. It's really weird. I don't know if it's something to do with the laser strength or what. Totally bizarre. So I've yet to actually have a chance to use this thing besides just drawing these 4 or 5 M's, and it's kind of disappointing because I actually had to, when I got the kit, it was missing these plastic things. All 3 of them weren't in the kit, so I had to wait a couple weeks and deal with a couple customer support people to get those pieces, and I just put it together today. And the damn laser isn't making that one line. So I am going to look online to see if there's any solutions in the forums and whatnot, but I'm worried that I may just have a weak laser, or one that glitches out when it tries to draw a line for too long. I don't know. It's weird that it's just that one line, because the y-axis of the M is a line of the same distance, and it doesn't have any problem there, but for whatever reason doesn't like that horizontal line. So once this is done, I'll pull it out so we can take a closer look at it and just see how it fares as far as accuracy and I guess penetration of the paper. Okay, it's finishing up now. Writing a little millimeter sign there, and it's back to origin. All right, let's see how we did. Take off my laser goggles. Okay, so it looks very accurate, and let's see how the M is. You can see it's cut it out pretty well, but it's still clinging in a few spots to the paper, so it's not perfect. I think it's these two corners here, but I mean, I can deal with that. That's accurate enough for what I want to use the cutter for. Unfortunately, that line, you can see once again, this line is totally fine. This line is not. It's not cut through. So weird. Anyways, if you can help me with this, I'd appreciate it. I'm going to put this on YouTube and probably email it to tech support. All right. Thank you.